compact YouTube. You probably can see it. There's some clouds moving in and everything. Again, we were just visiting Mountain View Harley in Chilliwack here in BC, and we keep on heading east. Let me just turn it around. And it's pretty windy actually. Again, you probably can hear it, but it's pretty windy. And so we're just making our way, and we're gonna take the exit, and we're gonna go up to Bridal Falls. And from the parking lot to the actually falls is probably about, they say it's 20-minute hike, but you can probably do it in like 10-15 minutes. So we're gonna pull out. I'm gonna try to film. I'm gonna try to put the drone up, but there's also the little local Chilliwack airport. So again, I'm not too sure what the radius is at this point, if it's actually a no-fly zone, because again the local airport is not too far away. So we'll have to see when I get there and then pack the drone, check on my app if I'm permitted to put the drone up. But we'll take you guys along. We'll show you Bridal Falls and go up on the hike there. I bring the camera and, like I said, the drone with me. Thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And like I said, we have a lot of exciting stuff happening coming up here. There's a couple motorcycle rallies. Like I said, the Hidden Valley in Tappan, BC. Randy and his cover band will also play. And so that's going to be an exciting one. And again, hopefully the weather will be nice. And then I just also got the news that Stefan from Stefan's Garage is going to be in Vancouver again too. So he's flying to Vancouver, and he's going to have a day off. And again, hopefully it's going to be a nice day, and we can go out for a ride, take Stefan on the beautiful roads of British Columbia. Anyhow, we'll see you guys down the road, and we'll see you up at Bridal Falls. Thanks for coming along. Already, we parked at Bridal Falls. Of course, it's busy. We're coming here on a Saturday on the long weekend, but we did find some parking spots. So let's just get ready. Check out the bikes, guys. So here we are. We made it. We finally found parking. So now we're getting our exercise in. I think the sign says 20 minutes, but I believe we can make it about in 10-15. What do you think about it, Sylvain? Good workout, eh?
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah. I hope it's a couple hours.
So some of the trees, what do you think, Sylvain? Almost like the redwoods, eh?
Well, similar forest. It's all part of the same system, kind of, right?
Yeah.
The West Coast.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's like Northern Cali.
Yeah, exactly. Pretty close to it. For sure, a lot of people on the trail here today. We made it, but I think Sylvain lied to me. He promised me there will be a beer on the end of the trail, so I'm still trying to figure out where the beer is while he's drinking his water. But check it out, guys.
Beer.
Bridal Falls, guys. Okay, there's even a nice mist here, but we made it up. Sylvan and Julia, I think it's just a longer way up, but let's just check it out. Down there we have Julia and Sylvan. They're making their way slowly up. He took a little bit the longer route. There they are. They are slowly coming. Looks like we made it up. How was that?
Painful.
Nice little hike, eh?
Mm-hmm.
But beautiful view.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what do you guys think?
I don't think anymore, Eddie. I'm admiring it.
I think the hike was a little bit too much for Sylvan here.
Yeah, I'm not into it today.
But I'm still disappointed. He says, like, Eddie, there's a beer bar, a beer fest, a beer garden at the end of the waterfall. So I'm still waiting for it.
I love
But it's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Nice, relaxing.
This is a beer fountain, Eddie. Just go on.
I know, right?
It'll make you just as sick as copious amounts of beer.
I saw that bikini in your bike. I thought you were going to go swimming, Sylvan.
I know. Thought about it. It's a bit cold.
a bit cold. Yeah, not very cold.
Yeah. But check it out one more time, guys.
Bridal Falls.
Beautiful, and I had the drone up as well, so hopefully I captured some very nice footage. I had it up, I had to bring it down and put an ND filter on it, but the second mount should be really nice, so can't wait to see what I actually captured. We're gonna make our way back to the bikes, hopefully they're still there, and then keep it riding. We'll see you down the road. Welcome back, YouTube. We are on Highway 1 here. We're just slowly rolling into Hope. If you remember from last year's video, and we've been here a couple times from the back road, low heat, that brings us to Hope as well, but we are on Highway number 1. And if you remember, Hope became really popular because the first Rambo was filmed here. And the famous Rambo Bridge and everything was right here in Hope, and every year Hope is celebrating the anniversary of the film when it was released. So let me just turn it around, or actually right here. Let's check them out. We got Sylvan and Julia. And the weather is really nice. I just checked it out. It's actually nice, 27.5 degrees. And again, this is Celsius. And it truly warmed up, so it's actually really nice, even if it looks like I want to say cloudy, hazy, whatever you want to call it, but it's actually really nice and warm. So like I said, we're just gonna keep it going, and we'll take you guys along for the ride. Definitely appreciate you for coming along. I hope you guys like the footage there at Bridal Falls with the drone. I put it up 3 times. Like I said the first time, I may have to edit a little bit because I had to bring it down and put an ND filter on. But again, thanks a lot for coming along. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And again, stay tuned for coming the motorcycle rallies and a couple trips and everything. So stay tuned. Lots of exciting stuff happening on this channel. I just did an install video yesterday, The video still has to be posted, but that's probably going to be posted next week. And again, I still owe you guys the walk around and everything as well. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you down the road.